Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Pure opioid antagonist. So let's look at the examples. The first one, we are dealing with the naloxone. Naloxone. So naloxone is a short-acting opioid antagonist. It's a short-acting. So naloxone is a short-acting, and it is an opioid antagonist. It's an opioid antagonist. And the duration of action here is 1 to 2 hours. So 1 to 2 hours is the duration of action. So DOA. And use of opioid overdose. So it is used in terms of the opioid. It is used in opioid overdose. And also the respiratory depression. So it is used in opioid overdose. It is used in the respiratory depression. And this is in the newborns due to the perinatal opioid use. This is due to the newborns. This is due to the newborns due to the perinatal opioid use. Perinatal opioid use. Next, we look at the naltrexone. So this was the naloxone. Next, we look at the naltrexone. So here in naltrexone, it is a long-acting opioid antagonist. So this will be a long-acting opioid antagonist, and with effects lasting for 48 hours. So this will last for 48 hours. Next, it is used in prevention of the relapse in the opioid addiction treatment. So it is used for prevention. So it is used to prevent the relapse. So used to prevent the relapse, and this is an opioid addiction treatment. It is associated with the hepatotoxicity. So naltrexone is used with hepatotoxic. It is hepatotoxicity, and it does not suppress the craving for the opioid addiction. So it does not suppress craving. And this is an opioid addiction. Does not spare craving in the opioid addiction. In terms of opioid addiction, but suppresses craving in chronic alcoholics. So what it does is suppress craving. So suppress craving is seen in chronic alcoholics. Then we move on to the nalmefene. So nalmefene is a long-acting opioid antagonist. It's a long-acting opioid antagonist. So nalmefene is a long-acting opioid antagonist, and it has a half-life of 8 to 10 hours. So half-life of 8 to 10 hours, and administered IV. It is used in the opioid overdose like the naloxone. So it is used similar to that of the naloxone. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.